Hello, hello. Welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
And I'm Matt.
On this Saturday's the Core series, we're exploring another gin. This is from the Bitter Truth, and this is their pink gin.
Mm-hmm.
Don't you forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Click that notification bell. Matt, tell me more. Tell me more about this one.
As we know, we are big fans of the Bitter Truth in general. So this is one of their older bottlings. This is the Bitter Truth, the pink gin, with a cool little sailing boat, which I like boats. The reason that is because the original idea of it was it's gin infused with bitters. It was basically created in the tradition of blending gin and bitters to members of the Royal Navy, so that for breakfast you'd have it. It would cure seasickness and keep the whole heaving your guts out on the ocean thing. So that's what it originally was created for. So that's kind of a cool thing. It's made with aromatic juniper, fresh lemons, warm spices, just licorice, caraway, and fennel. They say it's best on its own, a gin and tonic, martini cocktail, or some fun cocktails to try as the pink gin cocktail, the scorpion, the garden and tonic, the Claridge Cocktail, or the Gin Julep. All right, let's see what we think here.
Ooh, you had me at Bitter Truth.
Pretty much. That smells nice. Nice raspberries and strawberries.
It is very juniper forward.
Juniper, cucumber, licorice, fennel, caraway, a little bit of hibiscus, nice and vegetal.
I'm getting spearmint and cucumber water.
Definitely.
And it's almost it's almost like cooked spinach.
Almost. Man, I think this with some ice and some mint leaves would be amazing.
Yeah, it sure would be.
Love this with some tea. I think it'd be great.
What's my ABV?
This is actually at a nice 80, so not bad at all. So I love 40% and 80 proof, so can't go wrong with that. So,
is it labeled as a gin or a gin liqueur?
It's labeled as a pink gin.
Okay.
It's not a pink gin I've ever seen before, but I've not really looked for the pink gin. It does have a certified color, which no surprise it is. I mean, it's clearly pink, and it is contains certified color E129. So I've never seen E129, but apparently makes it turn pink. So cool.
There's a gin called Empress that is typically an indigo purple. They just released a pink one.
Oh yeah? Oh, that's cool. We have to get a hold of those and give those a whirl.
This smells delicious. Little hints of strawberry.
Yeah, and the bitters are there, but not
right.
really.
But they're just playing nicely as a nice balancing act. They're not really presenting themselves as this big loud thing.
It's quite nice. All right, let's go in. Tastes nice too. It's very clean. Nice juniper next to that little licorice, fennel, caraway is definitely there. Cucumber, raspberry, a little bit bitter. Very nice though.
To me, it was very much more of a citrus forward. I did get all of those notes, Matt, but on top of that, or the first blush for me was orange, lemon, lime.
Okay. Yeah, those are
and
definitely
then a little bit of rose petal, and then all of those notes that you were listing just kind of started, dancing around as well.
Yeah, definitely that rose water, rose petal for sure.
This is very interesting and great on its own. I could imagine that with some tonic water, bubbly some
water,
seltzer water.
Yeah, that would be really good.
It would really come alive, and a lot of these flavors would be really fun.
That is a delicious product. From a Bitter Truth. As usual, their stuff is great. I think I only got 2 or 3 of them.
Surprise. I love another Bitter Truth product. I can't believe my own self.
Yeah, and the best thing is things are $22, $23. They're not expensive.
That's so awesome.
And they just do a great job. I would really still want these guys to come on the show. So anybody with Bitter Truth ever watches these, love to have you guys on. Find you guys fascinatingly interesting.
Yeah, we do.
So yeah, I think we got 2 or 3 others left from them to review at some point. So
nice.
Good stuff. So once again, delicious from the Bitter Truth.
Yeah, balanced, fruity, floral. It's delicious. I don't have anything to say but positive things.
Yep.
Awesome. Well, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Click that notification bell. We go live every Monday night, deep diving into a whiskey topic. We have a Patreon page if you'd like to help us out financially. Until next time, keep on crusading for better liquids in your glass. Cheers. This is a Bitter Truth product. I'm just going to pour all of this in my glass because the chance of me liking it and wanting to drink the rest of it is pretty high.
Yeah, I gave you, I think, a little more of this one, so I figure you probably like this one. The other one, I'm like, there's no fucking way. So, I'm like, no. It's a no.